When should you hire a personal injury lawyer after a car crash? I'm going to say it's self-serving, but I'm going to give you the straight and honest answer like I always do. You should hire a lawyer as soon as you can. As soon as you're stabilized medically, as soon as you're safe, as soon as things have calmed down a little bit for you after the accident. But the sooner you hire a lawyer, the more the lawyer can do for you, the more the lawyer can help you. And I remember when I was in an accident, my mom was like, I was 18 at the time. My mom was like, I want to handle this ourselves. I don't want to call a lawyer. And then all of a sudden, the insurance company, they kept calling, and we had trouble getting a rental car. We had trouble, getting access to possessions in my car. It just seemed like we were getting the runaround. And ultimately, that component of it we decided to go and get a lawyer. And so when you're dealing with a car accident, nobody plans on it. You're going about your busy life, you're trying to go to work, you're trying to do whatever it is that you do, and then, somebody comes in and disrupts your life massively. Maybe you can't do the things that you wanted to do. Maybe you can't go to work. So really a person should be able to focus on them getting better, on their health. They have enough to deal with after an accident. A lawyer can come in and can start dealing with the very practical things, the insurance companies, the statements that need to be made, the notices that need to go out. And a good lawyer can also help connect you with treaters, because one of the things that you're going to find is not every doctor is going to treat somebody who's in a car accident. And a lot of people, maybe they don't have insurance, or they don't have copays, or they have high copays, high deductibles on their health insurance. So a lawyer might be able to issue something called a letter of protection that allows you to go in and get treatment without having to come out of pocket, that it would be paid out of any settlement. A lawyer is also going to come in and be able to start preserving evidence. We send out preservation letters, maybe to businesses that may have cameras that captured the accident. We send out, we request body cam footage or dash cam footage and 911 calls, because on those calls there are witnesses. We may want to talk to those witnesses before they disappear or we can't find them, to really start preserving and protecting your case. So the sooner you get in with a lawyer, the better. The more the lawyer can do, the more we can help you. And the thing is that, unlike a lot of things in life, where if you want to spend an extra night in a hotel, you're going to pay more. With a lawyer, you don't pay us anymore. It would be generally a third of what it is that we're able to recover, but we're able to deliver a lot of help very early on in the process. So whether it's me or somebody else, I encourage you, as soon as you're safe and able and stabilized, to be able to reach out to a lawyer, get a free consultation, learn what rights you have, what you don't have, get a good plan of action for your case and your matter, because you just don't know. A lot of times people call and they say that they're in pain, and some of those people, they go and they get some chiropractic care in 3, 4, 5 months, they get better. Other people, they call and they're in pain, or they say, you know what, I was in an accident and I'm not in that much pain. Then they call back 3 days later and say, oh, I'm in a lot of pain. And sometimes people need surgeries down the road that they never thought they would have needed immediately after an accident, given the way that a car accident impacts the human body. So get a lawyer as soon as you possibly can. I know that's self-serving, but I'm giving it to you straight. You can give me a call if you want to talk with me or a member of my team, 860-471-8333.